Controllers are allowed to omit the ceiling and visibility on the recorded ATIS broadcast when it's better than a certain threshold. Omitting the weather allows more time to discuss important information, like bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Of the three options here, the worst weather is option C, VFR minimums. This means 1,000-foot ceilings and 3 miles of visibility. This is the absolute minimum to allow takeoff or landing in controlled airspace. If the ceilings are just above 1,000 feet, the weather is definitely operationally relevant. Ceilings would be too low even for traffic pattern work, and IFR traffic could generally not use visual approaches. The next step up is the correct answer, 5,000-foot ceilings and 5 miles visibility. A ceiling over the field of at least 5,000 feet is much less operationally significant. IFR traffic will have no problem landing visually, and VFR pilots will be able to operate reasonably unimpeded. This is documented in the AIM, but the rule comes from the 7110.65, the FAA document which regulates everything air traffic controllers do. In it, it says, the ceiling sky condition, visibility, and obstructions to vision may be omitted if the ceiling is above 5,000 feet and the visibility is more than 5 miles. And then it says, a remark may be made, the weather is better than 5,005. Note that in both cases, the decision to omit this weather is discretionary. In good weather, the controller may state the complete weather, say that it's better than 5,005, or just omit it entirely. This could also depend on a specific facility's standard operating procedure. A field near 7,000-foot mountains may have a policy that ceilings are always reported on the ATIS. Finally, if weather is not reported on the ATIS, the full cloud and visibility report should be available on the METAR, or workload permitting, the controller is able to provide weather to pilots on request.